Are you someone who wants to study MBBS? Hi, I am Ali Hassan and I will be the instructor. I will guide you how to relate your knowledge with practical life. In these video we mainly study clinical scenarios and we will do rapid revision of various subjects. We can't remember everything, but we can remember the important things. That's not everything. You will get information about USMLE Plab and Islam. Islam is the basic need of every human being. By the end of this course, you will be able to handle clinical cases and clear the exams. There is no need to worry about anything. So what are you waiting for? Learn with Murshad Medicos now.